Welcome back to Cooking with Poncie. Today I'm going to show you how to make butter style shrimp. That is camarones al mojo de ajo estilo Poncie. Come on, let's go. You need shrimp, unsalted butter, salt, we use pink salt, garlic, and chili powder, and 2 lime. This is gonna be good. Start by melting 1 stick of unsalted butter on medium high. Then add half a tablespoon of garlic. Mix them up a bit and let them cook for a few seconds. Add the salt, add the chili powder, and mix everything together. Go ahead and add in the shrimp. Go ahead and stir the shrimp and give them a good bath in the butter. Once they're coated in butter, you want to reduce the heat to low, cover them up, and let them simmer for 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 or 4 minutes, squeeze in the lime and give it a good stir. Cover them up again and let them simmer for 4 to 5 minutes. Subscribe, hit the bell, like, comment, share. And there you have it, butter style shrimp. Camarones estilo Poncie. Now for the taste test. Outstanding.
Better than Red Lobster.